Hi, welcome. This is Plasma, and I just got a question about software. Where do I find chess games and all that? And it's actually super easy. Don't come asking me, how do I find this again? Is there a particular kind of game or this? It's all on the internet. You don't need me for it. There is Discover in Plasma. If you're in Plasma, you can go in here and Discover. I went through it yesterday, and you can scroll through all the applications there are. This is a little slider up here, and it goes all the way down. All right. So you choose a keyword, and in this case, it was a question about chess. So click on chess, and that's all the chess things we have. And straight out of the box on Calamares, you'll be able to install this one and this one. But so you can have others as well. So that's Discover for Plasma. We have also PAMAC, and PAMAC, you type update, software update, and the same applies here. You can also browse in categories and productivity and so on, and games, but just start typing chess, and you'll get them as well, right? You get here as well these applications. So it's super easy, and if you're a terminal kind of guy, then you do yay. Right? Yay is going to look in everything, not just AOR, also Pacman. So the Arch repos. So just yay chess, or yay icons, or yay themes, or yay I don't know, right? So it gives you all the names you like, and of course you can Google what's the best Linux chess thing around, and I did just that yesterday, and that's why Knights is in there, and that GNU chess in there, and I think one other. So that's how you figure out where to find and what to install on your Linux machine. It's actually for all Linuxes that I tell this. All right, enjoy.